So now let's see how we can work around with the outer glow option inside of Pixlr E. So here you can see that I have an image on my canvas. So this has to be out of the layer for you to see the effect. So to apply the outer glow effect, I'm going to go around into filter, and then I'm going to go around, and here you can see outer glow is an option. Once you add in the outer glow, it seems as if there's a frame right there. So I can increase out the size right here. I can increase out the feather to make it softer just like this, and I can increase and decrease the opacity as well. So I can increase the glow as per what I like. So now I can go around over here onto the color and choose the color that I like as well. And if I were to press OK, that color of the outer glow is there. And I can press apply, and then it is applied. You can go around over here, and then now if you were to apply another outer glow, you can see that you can apply double outer glow as well and choose another color according to what you like, just like this. You can increase around the feather and then increase around the size, and this is how it looks. And that is how you can work around with the outer glow option inside of Pixlr E. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe